Hey, this is James again with JJ Media. Today we are doing a product review of Folgers Black Silk. That is Folgers Black Silk, the dark. Many of you know that I'm a coffee drinker and I like it as dark as you can get it. So I'm going to be doing a review. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and check out below the social media links that we have, and also I will have an affiliate link below for this coffee. So thank you for watching. We'll be right back and we will do the review and then go to the computer for the product. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, we are back and we have the page behind pulled up, but I am drinking the black silk. It is the Folgers Black Silk right there. And let me get it to the camera. Sorry about that. See if it can register that. And it is the dark. And as an avid coffee drinker, I'm always looking for dark coffee. And so I'm going to taste it here. It does taste pretty good. It is a little bit darker, has a darker, smoother taste than the regular dark coffee. I actually drink a lot of Maxwell House dark coffee, and actually, if you notice, the one thing that is, if you've noticed, I will have my other coffee reviews there, and it does still look like it has just a little bit of filler. It's not showing up, but one of the other, the Folgers Nor series, the dark, I did the review on. In fact, you can find the links. And it showed up darker and seemed to be a little bit darker. But it does taste pretty smooth. It does taste good. So I like very, very dark coffee, but it's smooth. And it does it. Of course, I made it strong enough. This is just through a regular brew, a Bun coffee maker. Put it in, put the water in, and you know, I don't know whether it will taste better. Some say if you run it through a French press, maybe better. But this does taste good. I do like really dark coffee. So let's go to the computer, and we'll show you. This is actually it. The Folgers Black Silk Dark. The dark, and which this is the 1 pound. The one I have is the 10.3 ounce here. But you can actually get it. I will have the link. You can actually get it on Amazon or your local store. I will have the link in the description if you would like to purchase it. But I do recommend this coffee. It is very good. I I really like really dark coffee. So thank you for watching, and if you would like a product review, please comment below. Also, comment below for any comments that we have. We have free giveaways. So comment below, and we will give you our giveaways. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.